This review is of Halva, Finnish sweet and soft licorice. It's the home of real licorice, fat-free, which actually not good because we do need unsaturated fats, poly and mono. There's also no cholesterol, 42 milligrams of sodium, 23 grams of carbs, of which 19 are sugars that are added. And here we go with the blurb. And we've got the nutrition facts and the ingredients. I love licorice. Oh, the sugar may be from beet or from cane. 4% licorice extract. All right, hold on. Okay, let's give it a try. It does have gluten in it. I love licorice. It's so wonderful. I'll just sit there and sniff a bottle of licorice extract or anise extract because it's so enjoyable. It's pretty soft, although as you flatten it, it gets harder. And I wish it was a bit stronger. That is my only complaint at this point. That and the lack of unsaturated fats. But it would be so nice if they could make the licorice bolder tasting than this. But it is nice. It is good. I do enjoy it. I'll give it an 8. Thank you very much for watching and hope you have a great day.